Okay, hello friends. I just got this right now from Amazon. This is my last testing of a foldable LED garage light. And I hate to say it's a garage light because you can use them anywhere. Here it is. Yes, it's got 5 pedals and one center light also. And it's made of all plastic. The specifications are 8,000 lumens, 6,500K, 85% energy savings, 360-degree beam angle, 90 degrees adjustable, and it's 50,000 hours. And it's all plastic, and that's nothing wrong with that because the heat dispersion on 5 pedals plus the center is a lot more than the other ones that you see, which are 3 pedals. So a little bit more wiring, but less cost of material because this feels like plastic, which isn't nothing wrong with that. That means it weighs positive, it weighs less, it costs cheaper, and it doesn't need to be metal. So that's gonna go right now where the 3 pedal with the one in the center is. That's 3 pedals, 9,000 lumens, 6,000K, and I'm going to change that to this one. So I'll be back in a minute. Okay, it's up there, it works, and I like it. As you can tell, it's a little bit less brightness, and that is because this one is 9,000. This one is 9,000 lumens, and the one on top is 8,000 lumens. So that's the difference. And the other, and of course, there's 5 pedals and one from the center, which means actually that you can get in a more even amount of light instead of 3 pedals, because you can hit more spots that you want to hit. So I haven't folded it too much, but let's just say I'm very pleased. Yes, I'm very pleased. I'm not disappointed. Let me show you one more time. Here it is, 5 pedals, it's all plastic, 8,000 lumens, 6,500K, and this E26 means it screws into your American socket. And it's all plastic, and it doesn't have to be metal. And it has you see, it has one that comes straight from the bottom too, which is also handy. Right now, depending on longevity with everything else, I'd say this is the one you should get. This is my recommend. Absolutely, right here. So, signing out. Take care. There it is. Bye-bye. Last one to show you what it looks like by itself. No, it's not extremely powerful, but I knew that. But it gets the light everywhere because I folded all the pedals up a little more. So all the areas are getting something. And no, it's not, you're right, it's not super potent, but I was expecting all this, because it's more pedals, still the same 8,000 lumens, and that's fine. So that's the way it looks. That's the way it looks without without that's the way it looks without the my sector's primary light. So there it is. And I'm usually in here with both lights anyway. I'm gonna try it for a long time. I'm quite pleased. Not super bright, but it gets the light everywhere, which is good. So signing out. That's my last. This is gonna get my recommend. Oh, and one last thing. They do have 10,000 lumens. The other specs are the same. They do have 10,000 lumens, 100 watts.